My name is Torstein Tønneson. I am the CEO of Tiny Mesh from Norway. Tiny Mesh is a wireless infrastructure supplier. We do wireless communication for streetlights and automatic meter reading. Our main market is in India, where we are market leaders on inexpensive, long-range communication systems for electricity meters. Our technology is developed in Norway. It is a software suite that enables communication from devices as in the Internet of Things. Our platform delivers data to be transported from physical devices supplied by our clients to web APIs like the Microsoft Azure platform. The reason why we work with Microsoft is because the Azure platform is an excellent platform to develop end-user applications. Tiny Mesh is basically in streetlights and smart metering. We provide a mesh radio infrastructure combined with a cloud service, meaning that we deliver end-to-end encrypted data from our client's physical product, being a smart energy meter, to a web API. We have more than 1 million installations in the most competitive market for smart metering in the world, the Indian market. It's a very challenging market with fierce competition and very undeveloped infrastructure, meaning that the only way you can create AMR, AMI solutions in India is by deploying a system that is not dependent on existing infrastructure. So this is our claim to fame, that we are able to create this infrastructure regardless of the current situation in the area where we deploy the systems. This is a two-way communication platform, unlike other types of point-to-point communication systems, like wireless M-Bus, which is one of these standards, that continuously deliver data in one direction. So this is a command and control platform in addition to being a data collection platform. This is the typical way a Tiny Mesh system works. You deploy your smart meters. The Tiny Mesh infrastructure automatically creates, starting to communicate and deliver data. The only thing it requires is that there is a gateway device present. The moment you introduce a gateway device to a Tiny Mesh metering infrastructure, the communication platform is automatically created. And then it actually also continuously adapts to the changing environment. So if a truck moves into the area, the network automatically recreates. If one of the meters disappear from the system, then another meter takes over the communication. So this is a system that has complete redundancy on communication paths. Our value chain is we work with third parties. These are the clients that actually buy the devices. These are the metering makers. These are the streetlight makers. Then we deliver the communication infrastructure and we supply the data to a web API or the Microsoft Azure platform, which is then the platform that is carrying the end application. The product we supply to the automatic meter reading company, those that integrate our technology into their end product, is a physical radio module. It's a complete device that has the communication capabilities and the input-output control functionality on a single plug-in board. The plug-in board comes in different types and shapes. It could be as a radio module, or it could be a complete module that has an integrated onboard antenna, making it extremely simple for the integrator to build this product into their own end product and create a communicating device. There is no need for knowing how radio frequency is working. There is no need for understanding how the radio protocol is working. This can be regarded as a black box. We supply a plug-in device that creates the communication that enable you as the end system developer to send commands through a web API or to develop a software product on the Azure platform that can control devices remotely located or collect information from devices remotely located. The Tiny Mesh device has a set of input and output functionalities that makes it possible not only to talk to devices that need serial data communication, but also to devices that do digital communication. So if you have a device that is simply triggering a switch, you can connect directly to a Tiny Mesh module. The Tiny Mesh module will create its own mesh network with other modules around, and you can have automatically and immediately an alarm type system that receives a message every time a switch is being thrown. If you want to do street light control, you can send a command to a Tiny Mesh module and it automatically gives you a dimming output that you can connect directly to your smart light, and it will dim the percentage that you have commanded. Tiny Mesh has its base in Norway, where technology is developed. We have our main market in India. This market is huge. We expect 300 million smart meters to be deployed in India over the next 7 years. Tiny Mesh has a market-leading position in this market, and we are going to build on that. So Tiny Mesh aspires to be one of the main suppliers of infrastructure for smart metering in India over the next 5 to 7 years. And now I would like to introduce our country manager in India, Mr. Yasmeet Singh.
I think India market, doing business in India is a very exciting journey. At the same time, it comes with a unique set of challenges. So, working very closely with the customer, understanding the market requirements, and at the same time being flexible to adapt your solution to the market requirements is the key. This way, we have been till date the market leaders in sub 1 GHz segment when it comes to LPRF based smart meters.